So this is a first impressions review of the Logitech G710 keyboard that's refurbished, and just got it in the mail. And this is the box that it actually came in. As you can see, I removed my shipping label, and yeah, let's just get right into it to see first impressions. I used to have a gaming laptop, but now I switched over to an actual desktop. So this is my first actual gaming keyboard, or I should say mechanical keyboard. So let's see what it comes with. So this is the packaging, apparently, and it is refurbished, so it's easy to use. Oh, right here. So here's the actual box right here. It comes in a little small box, and let's go ahead and open this up as well. See what's inside. I paid, I believe, I don't remember the actual price for it, but it was a lot cheaper than the G710 Plus, which is why I chose it. And this is what it comes in. And yeah. Sure, we're still in frame. Yeah, so now here's the actual keyboard itself. And as you can see, everything looks like it is good. Let me just focus it. Yeah, everything looks good. Sounds good as well. Just going to go ahead and give it a test run and let you guys know how it works. Alright, so after about 5 to 10 minutes of using this keyboard, I do have to say that I'm actually really impressed with how this keyboard responds and how it works. One thing I forgot to mention is that this keyboard actually comes with an extendable wrist rest. Looks just like this, and I believe it goes right here. So just so you guys know, you have that as well. And yeah, they come with, I believe they're called the cherry blue keys, which are very they have a very loud sound to them, but they're very responsive, and depending on what you're using the keyboard for, they may be something that you actually would want to have in a keyboard, which is actually why I chose it, because I actually plan to use it for gaming and writing as well, just normal typing. So yeah, that's about it. Also, if you look over here, there's a little scroll wheel that's for adjusting the volume of your computer, which I thought I might add in. And also, as you might already know, it has those customizable keys on the side as well. There's also a few at the top as well. And yeah, that's about it. That concludes my review, and I'm very satisfied. Thank you.